Who doesn't love a cute, simple, and cheap hairstyle that you can do by yourself? Let me know, because this is cute, simple, easy, and cheap. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching. Alright, so I'm gonna jump straight into this quick little tutorial because I'm in a rush. I'm using this packaged hair. It's like bulk hair, so there's no tracks on them. I'm gonna do a quick little bun. So first things first, I'm gonna make a parting from ear to ear. I was thinking to do like a mid bun, but I think I'm gonna do a low bun just because it's like curly hair. I don't know. So I'm just gonna comb it down to where I want the bun to sit. I'm gonna go in with my hair tie. Then I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just gonna spray. I'm just using this to slick my hair. So you just want to comb it through to make sure it is nice and smooth. And then I'll be using my blow dryer to dry it in place. Just going to remove the band, comb it through again, and just put it back up into a ponytail. So now for the top section, I'm going to part it into two. I like to create my middle part first, and I use my nose as a guide, just so that it can help me make sure that the middle section is even. So I'm gonna work with this middle section first. I'm gonna part out some hairs. So what I'm going to do is just slick this middle portion back, and then the sides are gonna be slicked like that. So I'm going to part this in half. I personally like to work in sections. So I'm gonna take this first half and spray it with my Got To Be. And then I'm gonna use my blow dryer and dry it. Now I'm gonna take the front section, comb it through, bring it to the back on top of the previous section. I'm going to spray it down and just comb through. You wanna still be able to see the parting space as well. And then I'm going to blow dry it in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie it with another hair tie. Then I'm going to comb the side down and around to the back, so that way I can attach it to the ponytail, just like this. So you want to hold that end with the ponytail and then spray it. Once you've sprayed it, you're going to go ahead and blow dry it. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So now that my hair is basically molded in place, I'm going to remove the band that's holding this middle section. And then I'm going to gather the two sides that I molded down and put everything in one ponytail. And then I'm just gonna do like a cleanup spray because it's not super smooth. So I'm going back in with my 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐾 spray, but this time I'm using this edge control brush. It's really thick and dense, so it will smooth out all the humps and lumps and all that good stuff. I'm gonna start with this section, spray it, then use my edge brush and just brush it down, making sure it's nice and smooth. You can also use the comb. So you do want to make sure you can see the part. It is a part of the style, so. So I'm just removing the band. And then I'm gonna go back in and just tie it all together. Actually, my ponytail is a bit loose, so I'm just gonna remove the one that's holding the ponytail and just put it together all in one. So with the type of bun that I'm going to be achieving, I'm just going to braid my hair and twist it into a bun, so that way it's hidden. And once I reach to the end, I'm going to go in with a small black rubber band to hold it. And I'm going to just twirl my hair into a tight, small bun. And just use a small black rubber band to hold it in place. Like that. I've never done this before. But I'm going to like an event. So we have these pieces. So this is what one pack looks like. I'm going to take a black rubber band and just tie it together, but I'm making a loop. So I'm just gonna open one side and bring this inside of it to create a loop, and it looks like this. And because I want like a messy looking bun, I'm going to brush through it. I have this little old brush. I'm just gonna comb through it so it kind of gives it like a puffy, messy look. Widens out the hair some. So as you can see, it's much more dramatic. So now that it looks like this, I'm going to take my black rubber band and tie it around my bun. That way this piece is not attached. And I'm just going to wrap the hair around my bun. I did kind of want like the curls to be flipped on the ends. We're going to try that. So I want these ends to kind of like stay out. Yeah, that's what I'm envisioning. Guys, we're doing this together. Okay, so we have a little bun. I'm gonna use one of my elastic bands and I'm going to tie it around with the ends out. Hopefully it doesn't break. Okay, something's happening. But now I'm spreading apart the ends. I don't know how the back of the bun's looking, but I'm going in with another black elastic band just to make sure that my bun is covered. I'm just feeling it out, to be honest. Yeah. But I don't want the curls to look neat, so I'm just spreading these out. Yeah, so we have a little curly bun at the back, and then the ends are just out. It gives it a little cute little look. I kind of wanted it shorter, I think. Or does it look better longer, with the longer pieces? I think I'm gonna trim. Now I'm going in with my mini iron and I'm going to just curl the hairs that I left out. So I've curled them. I'm going in with my edge control. This is a 24-hour Ebin edge control, by the way. I'm just gonna place it right at the top. Hold it down. Then you could just shape them however you want. Cute, easy hairstyle for any regular day. Let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah. Easy and cheap hairstyle. Under $10. $8.99 actually. The pack says, and this is in Canadian dollars, so if you're in the US, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little cute tutorial. If you liked it, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. If you didn't like it, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share with your family, share with your friends this video. Whoever you think will enjoy something simple and cute, go ahead and share this video with them. Thank you for staying tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.